Welcome back. Now, in this video, we are going to be discussing traffic generation through affiliate promotion. And this is the most efficient way to get buyers into your marketing funnel and to see your offer. And basically, you're not paying for any of the visitors. You're not paying for any of the buyers that end up being part of that become part of your marketing funnel. You are basically working with existing marketers that are already generating sales. And that's why this is so powerful in terms of generating traffic to your offer. And the results are almost instant. I mean, you're going to get a huge credibility when you can draw affiliates in. And when you start to draw affiliates to your offer, what's going to happen is you will be creating a buzz where even more affiliates will then want to promote your product. So this really, when you can develop these kinds of relationships, it beats PPC, it beats all of the other paid advertising methods because, again, affiliates are delivering buyers to your offer. Now, to do this, right, to get affiliates to promote your product, if you don't know anyone, and even if you do know someone, you need to start well ahead of time. The phrase is called dig your well before you're thirsty. If you don't know affiliates and you are just getting started in internet marketing, it's time to get to know affiliates. And you can do that now with social media on a more personal level than you have ever been able to do so before. Now, in the early days of internet marketing, when you wanted to develop affiliate relationships, you would craft invitation emails, and you should still do all of those things. But there is nothing more powerful today than personal relationships, and many of the affiliate relationships and the affiliate opportunities are not going to be posted, and they're not going to happen by email, and they're not going to happen through formal channels. They're going to happen in informal channels, and they're going to be happening inside of social media conversations and Skype conversations, things that are hidden from the public. And so you are going to have to start developing personal relationships with marketers in your niche if you're going to want them to promote your product. You do not want it to be where your launch is the first time they're hearing about you and your product. Now, not all affiliates are going to respond, but you should be developing relationships anyway. These relationships are going to be the ones that will turn into probably your most profitable affiliates. And even while you're new, one of the things that you can do is to promote their product first. It doesn't matter how big or small your list is, you should go first, especially if you are looking to get to establish yourself with larger marketers. Well, one of the ways in which you garner some attention is you promote their product first. Now we're going to talk a little bit about where you can find affiliates. Where are you going to find these people where you are going to be developing personal relationships, where you're going to be telling them about what it is you're offering and about what it is that is unique about what you're doing. Now, obviously, one of the places where you are going to be able to do that will be the Warrior Forum. And you will be able to go to that forum, and whether or not you are a product buyer and product seller, one of the ways you get to know people there is to participate in some of the threads, and to participate in some answering some questions, is to participate in a launch scenario. You can always get to know who's promoting products by watching the Warrior or WSO area of the Warrior Forum. If we go to the WSO section and we just click inside of here, one of the things that we know about everyone who's participating in this thread, while not everyone is going to be a potential affiliate for our product, what we do know is that each and every one of these individuals that are selling products and services, they are developing a buyer's list, and the people that are buying their products are real people. So this is going to be an excellent place to find affiliates with people from those whom you know are going to be serving the same market that you are. So the Warrior Forum and Finding Warriors is a great place to find affiliates. Now, one of the other places where marketers are socializing about business and socializing about marketing are Facebook forums, Facebook groups, and inside of Skype groups. And where you can participate inside of a Facebook forum or a Facebook group, and you are invited to participate in a Skype group. You do not want to turn those opportunities down, especially if you are a product creator, because this is where you are going to get the opportunity to watch and get to know people in real time. Now, not everyone is going to want to interact with you, someone they barely know on a personal level when you first get started. However, being there and being around will help you when this is not going to be the first time. Your launch should not be the first time when someone hears about what it is that you are doing. One of the other things that you can always do is take interest in what these marketers are doing. That is how you will likely get their attention. Working inside of a more personal group, such as Facebook forums and Skype groups, and taking an interest in what they're doing, so that when you actually come and you approach them about what it is that you're offering, you will have already had some interaction. You can also do the very same thing inside of Google Plus circles and basically all of the social networks such as LinkedIn and even YouTube. You want to allow affiliates to know that you are active and that you know about what it is that they're doing, right? So that when you approach them, once again, you'll be approaching them from a position of strength. We just looked at JV Notify Pro in another video. It's a great place to find affiliates. Now, once again, most of the people who are going to JV Notify Pro are going there because they are looking to promote their product. And so once again, even if you have a small list, if you can promote them to your list, well, then you have something to talk to them about, and you have something to talk to them about that's in their interest. And you also definitely want to watch launches on the network. You want to watch the launches on JVZoo. You want to watch the launches on Deal Guardian. And once again, where you can participate in those launches, you certainly want to do so. But these are people that you want to get to know. Now, interestingly, when someone promotes a product or when you promote a product for a marketer on JVZoo, they have to approve you or have someone approve you for that. Once again, you will be getting exposure by going first in the relationship in terms of your being willing to promote their product. So there's nothing more powerful than being able to find affiliates. And basically, things are changing inside of internet marketing. The industry is maturing, and relationships are everything. So you want to use social media. You want to use the groupings such as Skype and communication tools in order to develop personal relationships in addition to crafting emails, in addition to all of the formal channels. Most of the affiliate activity, right, the significant affiliate activity will take place in Skype groups and more informal channels. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.